Next one is dense connective tissue. Okay ma. Next we see the dense connective tissue. So the tissue, the dense fibrous connective tissue, densely packed. It is densely packed. Okay, densely packed with fibers and fibroblast. Fibers and fibroblast. So the components of dense connective tissue is tendons and ligaments. Tendons and ligaments. Okay ma. Tendons and ligaments. So dense connective tissue components is tendons and ligaments. First we see the tendons. Tendons na தசை நாண்கள். Tendons na என்ன? தசை நாண்கள். Okay யா? அப்போ the tendon is cord like. Cord like means rope like structure. நல்லா கயிறு போல இருக்கும். அதான் tendon is a strong cord like structure. Okay, strong and a cord like structure. Then join skeletal muscle to bones. Join skeletal muscle to bones. Okay, very important. Skeletal muscles to bones. Tendons have great strength. Tendons have great strength and also limited flexibility. Flexibility is very limited. Okay, then it consists of parallel bundles of collagen fibers between which are present rows of fibroblast. Okay, பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த parallel bundles it is a collagen bundles. Okay, collagen fibers அந்த அதற்கு இந்த கொலாஜன் ஃபைபர்ஸ்னால் நார்கள்னு சொல்கிறது. ஓகேயா? ஸோ இன் பிட்வீன் திஸ் கொலாஜன் ஃபைபர்ஸ் that fibroblast is present. Fibroblast is present between the collagen fibers. Okay, in between the collagen fibers. Okay ma. Next then ligaments. Then next one is a ligaments. It is highly elastic. Ligament is a highly elastic structure. Okay, அதிக அளவு என்னது ஃப்ளெக்சிபிலிட்டியாக இருக்கும். Okay, then and have that great strength which connect bones to bones. That tendons is connect skeletal muscle to bones, but ligament is connect bones to bones. Okay, so to contain very little matrix. To contain very little matrix. Okay, then the strengthen of the joints and allow the normal movement. Okay, they strengthen the joints and allow the normal movements. Give the strengthen to the joints, then only we can easily to the movement. Okay, move from place to place. Okay, so it is used in that ligament. The last tissue is the fluid connective tissue. Last tissue is the fluid connective tissue. Okay, last tissue is the fluid connective tissue. Okay amma. Then that blood and that lymph are the fluid connective tissue. What are the components of fluid connective tissue? Blood and lymph. Blood and also lymph. It is a fluid connective tissue. Then it link different parts of the body. So this connective tissue link different parts of the body. The cells of the connective tissue are loosely spaced. How they arranged? It is loosely arranged. Okay, and also embedded in that intercellular matrix. And intercellular space or that then only present in the intercellular space. Okay, first we see that blood. So blood contains corpuscles. Blood contains what ma? Corpuscles. That is, it is red blood cells, that is erythrocytes, white blood cells, that is leukocytes, and also leukocytes and platelets. It is a fluid connective tissue. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. The blood cells, so these blood cells move in a fluid matrix called plasma. blood cells move in a fluid matrix that is called plasma. So what is plasma? Move in a fluid matrix. Okay, blood cells move in a fluid matrix is called plasma. So plasma contains inorganic salt and organic substance. So plasma contains what ma? Inorganic salt and organic substance. So it is a circulating fluid. It is a circulating fluid. Helps to transport of nutrient substance. So this blood helps to transport that nutrient substance. Okay, it is a nutrient substance. The plasma, main circulating fluid is a plasma. It helps in the transport of nutrient substance. Nutrient substance ஒரு பிளேஸ்லேருந்து இன்னொரு பிளேஸ்க்கு கொண்டு போக, ஒரு ஆர்கன்லேருந்து இன்னொரு ஆர்கனோ கொண்டு போகிறதுக்கு நம்ம பாடியில் யூஸ் ஆகிறது இந்த பிளாஸ்மா. ஓகே, நவ் வி see that red blood cells, that is erythrocyte, red blood corpuscles otherwise is called erythrocytes. Red blood corpuscles are oval shaped. The shape is oval shaped in structure. Okay, then circular, biconcave, disc-like structure without nucleus, lack nucleus. When mature, எப்போன்னா மெச்சூரிட்டி ஆகும்போது, which one? This red blood cells during that maturation at the time without nucleus. The young one only, in that red blood cells, the young ones only, that nucleus is present in the young stage. Okay, amma? Then that they contain a respiratory pigment called hemoglobin. You know that hemoglobin, it is a respiratory pigment, is present in that blood, that is called hemoglobin. What is the use of the hemoglobin? Involved in the transport of oxygen to tissue. Oxygen transport பண்ணுது எதுக்கு? டிஷ்யூக்கு. ஓகே அம்மா?